Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to introduce a very interesting AI tool that's called VibeMe Ai. Unlike any other AI platform that we need workflows and we need hours to learn how to use it, VibeMe provides us with a very easy way to use. All you need to do is upload your portrait and click the generate button. And boom, you generate the music video with your avatar. Plus, you can upload your image and your friend's image, maybe your friend from long distance, and then you can co-create a video. You and your friend might join the party. So in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to use VibeMe to create a funny video that can go viral. Okay, let's go. So this is the homepage of VibeMe. You can get access by iOS or Android device on your mobile, and you can find a lot of categories from movies to cartoons or different vibes. You can pick up one of the vibe that fits for you, and you can create a short. And you can share this short via Instagram or TikTok or any platform you like, or directly send to your friend. This is a way to express yourself, right? And also, this is a new way to start a party. You can either search or upload. And now, just pick up one clip that you want.
When I am down and know my soul's so weary.
Okay, I'm addicted to it. Let's make another one. So this time I'm gonna use my portrait. Alright, what if I have a friend that's in the long distance, in another country, another side of the world, but I want to have fun with her? So let's imagine if we have this imaginary friend and we have her photo and how it works. And you can even collaborate with your friend to co-create a short. And I think this is terrific, especially when your friend is far away, for example, like the outside of the world. You can invite them to VibeMe and you can collaborate together. So all you need to do is upload one of your portraits and invite your friend, and they upload their portraits, and you can collaborate with them on a web video. You can upload your friend, but this time let's upload a random little girl, this one, and click create. And give a second. One minute you are dancing with a spicy girl. Next minute you are Santa Claus. Let's try this baby boy. Now upload my portrait again, and there we go. You can save it or you can share it with your friend directly. And what about this one? Maybe I can try with this puppy. So upload your image or select one of the celebrities. So yeah, now I got myself a cartoon selfie. And what about this? I want to collaborate with this girl. Now you can upload two different characters all together. See? Super easy. And you can even upload the selfie of your best buddies or your besties. Yeah, now let's try this one. Now click here, upload your portrait, and boom, you got yourself a nice Christmas vibe video. It's super cool, right? It's so easy. You don't need to learn any complicated workflows, right? It's not a tool, it's a comedy laughter with a pause. So I highly recommend you to try this VibeMe AI. Congratulations on watching till the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.